when I opened Twitter one day. It says, congrats at MKBHD. As your share of ads revenue and replies, you're receiving $6,698. Your portion will be deposited into your Stripe connected account within the next 72 hours. Thanks for being a creator on Twitter.
Hello, and welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking news that's buzzing in the digital world. Elon Musk has made a significant announcement about Twitter, now rebranded as X. For every content creator, influencer, or anyone who's ever thought of sharing their tweets on this platform, they earn significant amount of money. This is a pivotal moment. So, let's unpack this together. But that's not all. In this video, I will share amazing AI tools, so you grow your audience next level. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the real impact of this change. Creators on X are seeing some impressive numbers in their earnings. Here are a few examples to give you a sense of the potential. Brian Krasenstein, with his vast audience of 750,000, earned a staggering $24,305. SK, with a following of 230,000, managed to bag $2,236. And Benny Johnson? With his 1.7 million followers, he took home $9,546. These are just a few instances. The platform is ripe with opportunities, and with the right strategy, many are capitalizing on it. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does this work? It's simpler than you might think. X has introduced a unique model where ads displayed in the replies to your tweets are monetized. This means the more engaging and interactive your content, the more replies you garner, leading to increased revenue. It's a brilliant incentive, pushing creators to produce content that sparks genuine conversations and community interactions. If this has got you excited and you're thinking of diving in, here's your roadmap to eligibility. Firstly, you need to be a part of the X Premium Club or be associated with verified organizations. Your content should be resonating, evident from at least 5M organic impressions on your posts in the preceding 3 months. A dedicated follower base of 500 or more is essential. And, naturally, it's crucial to maintain a clean slate, adhering to X's community guidelines and policies. Alright, for those of you eager to optimize your X journey, here are some golden nuggets. Active engagement. Don't just be a broadcaster, be a participant. Engage in discussions, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community. Consistency and quality. While it's essential to post regularly, never compromise on the quality of your content. Remember, it's better to have one impactful tweet than 10 forgettable ones. Stay informed. The digital world is ever evolving. Make it a habit to stay updated with X's latest features, policies, and best practices. Now, let's talk about a tool that's a game changer for your X journey, HIX AI. First, if you go to HIX AI, link available in the description, so go now. The most powerful, all-in-one AI writing and content creator copilot. And click to start for free and create account. Create your account using your Google account and another option: input your first name, last name, email, or password, accept all terms and conditions, and create your account. After creating your account and verify your email ID, you redirect this type of dashboard. So first you select your role. It's a basic purpose only, so choose best suitable for you. For example, brand strategist, public relations specialist, blogger and influencer, and lots of others. For example, I use this tools for copyright purpose, so I select copywriter. And move next. Select your workforce details. For example, if you're a solo entrepreneur, when select solo entrepreneur, and if you have a team, when select your team details. In my case, I select a micro team. And move to next step. And tell me how you discovered this AI writing tool. So select your discovery tool. In my case, I found this tool on social media, so I select social media. And submit your details. Top trending and highly used HIX AI tool. AI Writer. Using this tool, you create any content in seconds. Access to over 120 AI writing tools, including rewriting, summarizing, and grammar checking, and more. With 50+ languages. Long-form AI article writer. Using this tool, you generate long-form blog posts quickly, up-to-date, and 100% plagiarism-free content. HIX Editor. HIX Editor is an all-in-one platform for writing and editing. positioned as a superior alternative to Notion AI, offering more AI writing capabilities and seamless integration. Save drafts and access them across devices. HIX Email Writer. Quickly compose and respond to emails. Summarize long emails quickly. Available as a web app and Chrome extension. And go to AI Writer and access all 120 plus writing tools and create your content fast and easy. For example, using Content Rewriter, Content Summarizer, Prompt Generator, and all content creation related tools. But that's not all. You access all other AI tools related to articles and blogs, ads, social media posts, emails, website and e-commerce, and many more AI tools. But best part is, HIX AI provide these all tools in your browser using Chrome extension. So you easily access these tools and grow your productivity. So let's first go to this Chrome extension tab and install in your browser. HIX AI, all-in-one ChatGPT Copilot for web. Click to add to Chrome tab and install in your browser. Add extension. And after install, go to your Chrome extension tab and open HIX AI. And you directly access HIX AI features in your browser. For example, in chat section you start chat and ask any question. And in writing tab you access all writing tools. So we are using this HIX AI tool and create live tweets. So I go to my Twitter page and create tweets. For example, every day you start day with morning tweet. So first go to your tweet and open HIX AI tab and input good morning and click generate tab and generate your tweet. And post your tweet right now. But that's not all. You retweet tweet with your opinions. For example, few minutes ago Elon Musk create a tweet and share our location. So I retweet this tweet using HIX AI tool. Click to retweet tab and start creating tweet using HIX and post your tweet right now, without typing any single word. I think it's so amazing and powerful tool for grow your Twitter account. Let's another example. Few hours ago, Elon shared a tweet related to new AI experiment about brain implant and digital avatar. So I comment on this tweet using HIX AI, open comment tab, generate a tweet and reply now. It's incredible AI tool for your Twitter growth. But HIX AI isn't just about crafting tweets. It's about strategy. The platform's algorithms understand audience dynamics, helping you tailor your content to attract and retain more followers. It's like having a digital strategist guiding you at every step. HIX AI isn't just another extension, it's your AI-powered copilot, seamlessly integrating into your browser. Whether you're drafting an email, crafting a tweet, or even jotting down notes in Google Docs, HIX AI is right there with you. For example, I use chat feature and ask question and summarize some paragraph. And access some topic-related informations. And directly access any AI writing tools like Content Rewriter, Summarizer, Prompt Generator, social media tools, website and e-commerce tools, and many more. To sum it all up, the digital landscape is undergoing a seismic shift. With X's new revenue model and tools like HIX AI, the opportunities for creators are boundless. It's a world where creativity, strategy, and the right tools can lead to unparalleled success. So, why are you waiting? Just go to HIX AI and create an account and grow your journey next level. Link available in the description. This platform is designed to supercharge your content creation, making it more engaging and resonant. HIX AI isn't just another tool, it's your AI-powered copilot. Want to boost your tweets? HIX AI's writing generator crafts compelling content that resonates, increasing engagement and replies. And remember, on X, more replies mean more earnings. With HIX AI, you're not just creating content, you're building a community. Its advanced algorithms understand audience dynamics, helping you craft tweets that resonate and attract more followers. And if you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow creators. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more updates from AutoGPT Tutorials. Your support keeps us going. Until next time, keep tweeting, keep engaging, and let's navigate the digital revolution together.